"13 Health conditions you can treat with lemon water." Lemon is a powerhouse of nutrients which have many beneficial properties. They can promote digestion, strengthen the immune system, balance the pH levels and aid weight loss by reducing cravings. Lemon water is even more effective than most of the prescription medications. Use lemon water to treat the following health problems. 1. Acne. Lemon can reduce the acidic effects, cleanse your skin and prevent the occurrence of acne. Just take half a lemon and rub your face with it. 2. Kidney stones. Due to its high content of potassium, lemon water can increase the citrate levels in the urine, thus preventing oxalates formation. 3. Immune system. Lemon water can strengthen the lymphatic function, which in turn will strengthen your immune system. In this way, your immune system will be able to detect and eliminate pathogens more efficiently. 4. Reduce cravings and promote weight loss. Lemons are packed with vitamins that can balance the blood sugar levels and pectin, which controls the appetite. Lemon juice improves digestion by stimulating bile production. 5. Gallbladder pain. Lemon is very beneficial for treating problems related to the gallbladder. To relieve this type of pain, drink lemon water with your meals. 6. Cold and flu. Vitamin C possesses potent antibacterial and antioxidant properties, and it is an excellent remedy for treating common cold and flu. 7. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Consume lemon water regularly for 2 weeks and you will experience significant improvements. 8. Nails. Drink lemon water to strengthen your nails and eliminate white spots. 9. Foodborne diseases. Drinking lemon water can protect you from food poisoning when traveling abroad. 10. Fibromyalgia. Yoga stretches in combination with lemon water can treat exhaustion due to fibromyalgia. 11. Inflammation. Lemons have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce the acidity responsible for inflammation. 12. Sore muscles after workout. Drink lemon water after working out to relieve the muscle pain. 13. Joint pain and swelling. Lemon water reduces the uric acid buildup in the joints that causes swelling and severe pain. This, in turn, prevents inflammation and arthritis.